Is your lawn suffocating? Unlock a thriving yard with the WEN 2-in-1 Dethatcher. Is your lawn looking a little lackluster? Don't just mow and water. Thatch buildup and compacted soil could be the culprits. Let's explore how the WEN DT1516 can revolutionize your lawn care routine. The WEN DT1516 16-inch 15-amp 2-in-1 electric dethatcher and scarifier is a versatile tool designed to breathe new life into your lawn. It combines powerful performance with user-friendly features. This makes it perfect for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY enthusiasts. This machine isn't just a dethatcher, it's also a scarifier. This dual functionality allows you to both remove thatch and aerate your soil. It's like giving your lawn a complete spa treatment. At the heart of the WEN DT1516 lies a robust 15-amp electric motor. This motor generates up to 3,300 RPM. This provides ample power to tackle even the most compacted soil and stubborn thatch layers. The 16-inch clearing path ensures you cover more ground with each pass. This makes your lawn maintenance faster and more efficient. It's ideal for small to medium-sized lawns. The WEN DT15 All-in-6's standout feature is its dual-purpose design. It comes with 2 interchangeable heads. This allows you to switch between dethatching and scarifying based on your lawn's needs. The dethatching head features 24 steel tines. These efficiently lift and remove dead grass and debris. The scarifying head includes 20 durable blades. These cut into the soil to reduce compaction and promote root growth. The WEN DT1516 offers 5 adjustable height settings. This allows you to customize the depth based on your lawn's condition. Whether you need a light dethatching or deeper scarifying, this machine has you covered. The +1 4-inch setting is perfect for light dethatching. The 1 2-inch setting is ideal for deeper scarifying and aeration. This level of customization ensures precise control. The WEN DT1516 is designed with durability in mind. The hardened steel tines and blades ensure longevity. It also includes automatic overload protection. This prevents motor burnout if an obstruction is detected. Heavy-duty steel blades and tines ensure long-lasting performance. Overload protection prevents motor damage. Durable construction ensures years of reliable use. No one enjoys extra cleanup after dethatching. The WEN DT1516 includes a removable thatch collection bag. This makes it easy to collect and dispose of unwanted debris. The built-in collection bag minimizes mess. The detachable design allows for easy disposal. This saves time and effort after dethatching and scarifying. Unlike gas-powered dethatchers, the WEN DT1516 runs on electric power. This offers a cleaner and quieter lawn care experience. Say goodbye to gas refills, oil changes, and excessive noise. It's eco-friendly and requires low maintenance. It offers quiet operation compared to gas models. There are no fuel costs or emissions. The WEN DT1516 package includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive the dethatcher and scarifier unit, both dethatching and scarifying heads, a thatch collection bag, and a user manual. WEN also backs their product with a 2-year warranty. This provides peace of mind. With a 4.5-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, homeowners rave about the WEN DT1516's performance. Customers praise its ease of assembly, lightweight design, and effective thatch removal. One reviewer on Amazon describes it as an awesome dethatcher, highlighting its ability to pull up piles of thatch. Another user appreciates its powerful motor and efficient performance. Don't let thatch and compacted soil hold your lawn back any longer. The WEN DT1516 16-inch 15-amp 2-in-1 electric dethatcher and scarifier is your key to a healthier, more vibrant yard. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and read more reviews on Amazon. Invest in your lawn today and enjoy the lush green results.